no basic zone.
It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, hey boo. My name is Stushy. Be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. We're on the road to 5K. We're not at 4K yet, but we're on the road to 5K. We'd like to touch 5K before the end of the year, and we want you to be a part of the gang. And be sure to also turn on your post notifications so that way you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. If you're an OG Triple SG Stush Gang, then welcome back to the channel, you guys. You guys know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out a brand new video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this fall inspired look. Fall is definitely upon us. It's getting a little bit more chilly in New York City. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys how I achieve my eye makeup and, you know, create something cute, something fall inspired. So here we are. If you're interested, keep on watching. Make sure you watch this video in its entirety. And without any further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into it. It feels so good to be up here doing my face, like doing my eye makeup. I haven't done eyeshadow with you guys in so long. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with today's video. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise 18-piece eyeshadow palette. This palette is yelling fall for me. Like, it just looks so good. So I'm gonna play in a few different colors. I kind of know what I want to do today, so hopefully it comes out good. I have faith that it's gonna come out good. So the first color that I'm gonna dive into is Caliente. I'm gonna work Caliente into my crease. My brush was shedding though. Morphe, we need to chat. So that's Caliente, very cute. It's providing us with pigment. Like, I remember e.l.f. shadows might have been like the very first eyeshadows that I ever purchased when I started like getting into makeup, and like the quality was not this, okay? Now I'm gonna go into Spiced, which is this cranberry shade. One tap, y'all, one tap. And I'm gonna work that a little bit underneath Caliente, but still kind of in the crease. And I'm kind of packing it in the outer V as well. That's nice. So I put up a poll over on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, plug it right here at thestushlife. Make sure y'all follow me. Asking what kind of fall content you guys would like to see, and a lot of you guys like really pulled up and dropped some comments. So shout outs to you guys. Shout outs to anyone that went ahead and gave me some ideas for fall content. But if you don't follow me on Instagram but you want to drop your 2 cents, make sure you comment down below what you guys want to see for fall, because I low-key want to like be on my ish this winter. Well, I want to start 2021 on my ish, so I got to start from now. I mean, I kind of been on my ish, but sometimes I do slack. I'll say that. So I definitely want to give you guys a lot of fall content and just content this winter. So make sure y'all let me know what y'all want me to do. I don't know if I'm doing vlogmases yet. I've done vlogmas 2 years in a row. I haven't decided if I'm doing vlogmases yet. So when we get to that bridge, we'll cross it. Now I'm gonna mix coconut and cacao together on a smaller blending brush. I'm just gonna pack it right on the outer V. I don't even want it to be so pigmented. I just want there to be a hint of warmth, a hint of brown there. And I'm kind of pushing it up in the crease just a bit. I can't believe I'm on here doing a fall look. I have a few other fall looks in mind, so I'll be back. Make sure your post notifications are turned on if they're not already, because I'm gonna be dropping some bomb fall looks. I haven't really been in a creative space in regards to, like, you know, doing eye makeup and stuff like that, because listen, I've been trying to enjoy the last few months of summer, well, the last month of summer. So half the time I just put on a regular beat face, calm, quick 20, well, more like 45-minute face, and get out the house, girl, because I'll be here all day if I do eyeshadow prior to going outside, and I'll be trying to catch that sun. Okay, going back with the first brush. Now Parasito and Fortuna both look really nice. I don't know which one I want to go in with. I think I'm going to go in with Parasito, and if anything, I'll add some Fortuna. I'll add some of Fortuna. Now wet my brush just a little bit. Bruh. Oh. Okay, e.l.f. You said play no games? Copy. Packing that on the lid. What you do to one, you must do to the other. So that's what I'm doing. Wow, I'm really shook. This reminds me of a shadow in the Jackie Aina palette. It's called Trust Issues. Just for fun, I'm gonna add some of Fortuna. I don't know what that card is doing outside. Please excuse that. Did that do anything? No. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm just adding a bit more cacao and coconut right here. I'm gonna spice up the lower lash line with Spiced. Going in with a bit of sea salt in my inner corner. This is pretty. Let's see how it applies. A little bit of brown liner in the inner corner. I mean in the waterline. I'm also gonna glow. Yo, highlighter always gets me. Like, it's just the key. I'll say that's cute, that's cute, that's cute. So I have some more lashes that I'm testing out today. If you're new, I have a lash business by the name of Capra NYC. All the information for the business will be down below if you're interested in checking it out, interested in seeing, you know, what I'm talking about. But I did also order some new lash styles from my vendor, so I'm going to be trying on one of them today just to see if I like it, just to see if I want to consider adding it to the site. So I think I want to go with these. So I haven't cut them as yet. Let's just see. Yep. So that's how they look, and I'm using my tweezers. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them and apply them. If you struggle with applying your lashes, get my tweezers, period. Because they're on. Okay. High key feeling it. What about you? Gonna go in with my Juvia's Place lip liner in Cola. I love this lip liner. This has officially changed the game for me. I've been loving this lip combo, so y'all have to get it again. And I think y'all have been liking it too, because a lot of people on my Instagram and on YouTube have been asking me like, what's the lip combo? Or they've been just saying that they love the lip combo. So I'm now going to go in with my Juvia's Place lip gloss or lipstick in the shade Lady. It's like such a beautiful nude. Gonna go in with a little bit more liner. And then my hot chocolate gloss bomb from Fenty Beauty. Like, this is my favorite gloss bomb, and it just does this combo just so well. Girl. Now y'all not telling me this is not fire, and y'all not telling me I'm not putting y'all onto game. Like, I just gave y'all a bomb ass lip combo for fall. Like, how appropriate. Alright, let me stop being dramatic. But nonetheless, I'm about to switch things up. Stay tuned for slow-mos. I miss doing slow-mos, so these slow-mos is gonna be fire. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look, and I'm honestly in love. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love. Like, this is a look. Anyone that thinks otherwise is a hater. Period. Nah, I'm joking, but seriously, like, this is a look. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and put on a little off the shoulder sweater. It's really a regular sweater. I just put it off the shoulder, and I went ahead and popped on this headband. This headband is from my good sis Akila's brand, 7 Mia. She is also a YouTuber, beauty influencer. She is just bomb.com. I went ahead and purchased this headband from her, and she's like so cute. Like, fun fact about me, when I was younger, I used to live for headbands. I had a ton of them, and once I cut my hair, I kind of stopped wearing them, but I feel like it looks really good with these braids. But yes, this looks really good. I'll also leave the headband link down below if you guys are interested in picking one up, like on business, FYI. So you know. Let me know how you guys are feeling the finished look down below in the comments. But really good to come back on here and do my eyeshadow. So you guys will be seeing me create a lot more fall inspired looks on here with you guys. So stick around for that. Let's see. Comment down below your favorite part of today's video. Was it the eyes? Was it the lashes? Was it the lip combo? Was it the highlighter? Let me know your favorite part of today's look down below in the comments. Everything that I used today will be listed down below in the comments as well, so make sure you go ahead and check those links out. Some of those links are affiliate links, so I do have to let y'all know I do get a little coins if you guys do use those links and purchase anything through me. Girl, a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's look. If you haven't already subscribed, sis, I really hope that you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below, because your girl is trying to touch 5K before the end of the year. That's one of my goals, and we want you to become a part of the gang. So make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you like my content, make sure you go ahead and tell one of your friends. Go check Stush channel out. Let them know, okay? You might be helping someone out, okay? So make sure you tell a friend or two about my channel. And if you haven't already, turn on your post notifications. That lets you guys know whenever I upload, so you don't have to wonder, when did she upload? Even though I upload on Wednesday, Fridays, and Sundays, you might forget. So the post notification is your backup, okay? So make sure you turn that on. Until next time, until next video, until next upload, until next post, I'll see you guys all later. Bye, Stush gang. So as you guys can see, I changed, looking. So the first thing, the hood is acting out. The hood is acting out. Leave your girls a big thumbs up if you just enjoyed the. Leave your girl a big thumbs up if you. Is that a plane? But we like. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe. Go ahead. If you're. This bird is blowing. Because for the last month, because I